What are the benefits of hiring a software agency? How to find the right development agency? Focusing on the daily or weekly routine can be exhausting and more often than not consumes more time and energy, which leads us further from the activities that we like and enjoy. The process of routine creation can be cautious and dull, which makes it even more unpleasant. The important aspects of the job are being neglected or are hurriedly executed, which is affecting the performance and quality. Each job follows some specific routines in the day-to-day business life, implementing tasks such as email correspondence, meetings, creating reports, analysis, research, etc. The workday is consumed by all of these small tasks that are just taking too much time. Traditionally, the internal processes can be easily automated as they are occurring over a specific period, daily, weekly, or monthly. The task that is suitable to be automated can be categorized in the following classification: marketing, customer support, financial and administrative. Marketing tasks that can be automated are posting blog posts and content, various researches, website traffic tracking, e-commerce reminders, event registration, newsletters, CRM, etc. Customer support tasks that can be automated are help desk center and tickets, email responding to frequently asked questions, customer emails, etc. The financial tasks that can be automated are invoice reminders, payroll slips, receipts, paying bills, creating and sending invoices, etc. The administrative tasks that can be automated can be backing up files, sharing calendars, eliminating spam email, job recruitment, a to-do list, online forms and surveys, email signatures, etc. These are all tasks that can be easily conducted with manual labor, but as the technologies are integrated activities in the work tasks, these are the aspect of the job that can be automated. Thinking of our day-to-day activities within our professional surroundings, there will always be tasks or projects that are occurring repeatedly. These assignments can be time-consuming that we don't even realize can take not only hours but days as well. Executing the repeating task can be easily disregarded when the project is not complex, but it can be challenging on a compound project as every minute is important, and spending so much time on the same task on a daily or weekly basis can be frustrating. Imagine all the time you can gain if you didn't have to do all the repeating tasks throughout your workday, as this is an aspect of the workflow that all developers, customer support specialists, project managers, and administrators are executing daily. It seems like a never-ending cycle, but the automation system process can put a stop to manual labor. Automation in business means that the implementation of activities is redirected from human completion to machines. The purpose of automation is to delegate repetitive tasks with the help of technology, in addition to the personnel to focus on the more impactful and meaningful work. The automation process is creating a different method for companies to interact with their customers, employees, and partners, which is the preferred way to engage all sides since the progressive development of technologies. The automation process will ease the usage of the product you are offering to the end user and workers. Perfect for automation are tasks that are conducted often or have a set schedule. This type of task usually doesn't require creativity, problem-solving skills, or complex thinking, which can be easily integrated with automation. Building automation into your company's software will improve the efficiency of the workflow and the daily planning of the activities, as the usage of the product will be more available and easier to use, eliminating the difficulties. Automating repetitious tasks can ensure efficiency, including a high level of consistency and persistency, which cannot be obtained from human work. Automation also helps to decrease the error percentage and mitigate the risk of a human error. Automating the routine tasks is not only the fastest solution to execute the repeated activities, but also provides you with more time to focus on the core business functions, for which usually there is not much time left. In the fast-growing digital economy, competitors are thriving to win customers, and the best way to save time and resources is to hire an external agency to optimize your business operation, which will provide you with a product. When you desire to have a top-notch performance, it is better to trust the proficiency and the expertise of the specialists. Not only do they know thoroughly the technology itself, but they also have the skills and organization to implement the project successfully. An excellent software agency not only have the technical knowledge and have the right background to build specifically oriented software, which will run efficiently, but they also have the resource and equipment to execute the project. A software agency is aware of the various trends and latest technologies while offering diverse expertise and the needed team members, developers, web designers, project managers, etc. The collaboration between the team members will ensure that all goals and customers' needs are met, providing a professional service. Hiring a software agency will ensure the successful implementation of the project with the specific deadlines and requirements that you have set. There will be a stronger collaboration between the engaged stakeholders, and there will be a sustained process of combining different know-how, which will ensure the most efficient method is used in creating the product. The experience and skills that the software agency possesses will improve the ideas and goals that you have set, enriching the aim with knowledge and way of implementation. Digital integration is happening in every aspect of the industry sphere. Companies are competing to find the right technology to boost their customer experience through creative custom web, mobile, and software applications. One of the main key components of software to do the assigned job correctly is to be documented properly. Without it, this can be nearly impossible for the software to fulfill its role competently. An important component of the software is not only to be technically correct, but also to be able to handle a high number of user interactions. This can be achieved after various test runs and QA checks to ensure that the software is being programmed properly and will be able to conduct the task successfully. Before starting to search for a development agency, you will need to have a clear vision for your business goals and users' expectations. It is of key importance to have a perspicuity of what the agency can do for you and the work process. The easiest way to check for the reason is to ask yourself why the involvement of the agency is needed. There are many reasons to get involved in an external collaboration: growing your business and increasing your revenue, building brand awareness, expanding into a different market, business process optimization, etc. Once the reason for hiring the development agency is set, you need to set the user's expectations. What are the important aspects for the users? What are the tasks that needs to be executed? What type of problems they are facing during the interaction? How it can be improved? What can be changed to make the process smoother? As soon as you have answers to the above-mentioned question, the process of finding the right development agency can start. The foundation of finding the best match for your needs is to conduct research, analysis, and comparison of the different agencies on the market. It can sound overwhelming, but typing developing agency in the search engine is the first step you will need to do. Based on the specification you need, you can narrow down the potential agencies and create a list. Adding different criteria will create the specific components based on which the analysis will be created. Such components can be what are they offering services, what is the quality they are presenting, what is their field of expertise, do they offer high-quality services, do they work with flexible deadlines, can they handle multi-platform projects, can they handle complex information architecture, Web 2.